Welcome to my channel AI Tools Hub. In this video, I am going to tell you about 4 AI tools that are just awesome, must explore these. First website is AI Image Generator from Text. The main function of an AI image generator from text is to utilize advanced deep learning techniques to convert textual descriptions into corresponding visual representations. By employing state-of-the-art natural language processing and computer vision algorithms, this technology can interpret and understand the textual input, extracting relevant details and context. Subsequently, the AI generates high-quality images that accurately portray the described content. This capability finds applications in various fields, such as art, design, gaming, and accessibility, enabling users to visually convey their ideas and concepts with ease. Additionally, AI image generators have the potential to revolutionize creative processes, streamline visual content production, and enhance the overall user experience in the ever-expanding realm of artificial intelligence. Second website is Durable AI. Creating websites in just 30 seconds is a remarkable achievement made possible through the power of advanced AI technology. These AI-powered website builders leverage sophisticated algorithms and pre-designed templates to automate the web development process, drastically reducing the time and effort required to build a website from scratch. Users can simply provide basic inputs such as their business type, preferred layout, and content, and the AI takes care of the rest. It swiftly generates a fully functional website, complete with responsive design, intuitive navigation, and visually appealing elements. This remarkable speed and efficiency not only save valuable time for businesses and individuals, but also democratize website creation, making it accessible to a wider audience without the need for technical expertise. While the 30-second claim might vary depending on the complexity of the website, AI-powered website builders undoubtedly represent a groundbreaking leap in web development, opening up exciting possibilities for online presence and digital innovation. Third website is Findshare AI. Findshare AI is an innovative online platform that empowers users to create stunning and captivating videos effortlessly. Leveraging the power of artificial intelligence and advanced video editing tools, Findshare AI simplifies the video creation process, eliminating the need for complex software or technical expertise. With an array of pre-designed templates and customizable elements, users can easily piece together their footage, images, and text to craft professional-grade videos in no time. The platform's AI algorithms intelligently analyze the content, automatically applying transitions, effects, and animations that perfectly sync with the chosen theme and style. Whether for personal projects, marketing campaigns, or social media content, Findshare AI opens up a world of creative possibilities, allowing individuals and businesses to produce visually stunning videos that leave a lasting impact on their audience. With its user-friendly interface and AI-driven capabilities, Findshare AI makes video production accessible to all, transforming ordinary concepts into extraordinary visual stories. Fourth website is Home. The advent of a new AI tool that enables moving avatars to accurately synchronize with spoken language marks a significant milestone in the realm of digital communication and virtual interactions. This cutting-edge technology harnesses the power of natural language processing and computer vision algorithms to seamlessly animate avatars, imbuing them with lifelike qualities that mirror the expressions and speech of their users. When a user speaks, the avatar responds in real time, mimicking facial movements, lip syncing, and even gesturing to match the spoken words. This level of realism creates a captivating and immersive experience, enhancing communication in virtual environments, online presentations, educational platforms, and social interactions. But wait, there's many more. Subscribe my channel for more amazing AI tools. Thanks for watching.